you'll become so powerful that no one will be able to tell you what to do. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It's super crazy, guys, and it actually works.
Guys, I finally found out a way to get AltStore on your phone without a computer, no method involving computer. So just go to matrixmods.com, bro. This is the website B2B. It's so many mods on here, but we're just going to go to the search bar and just type AltStore, and they literally have it with the JIT and everything. So just press download, and it's going to start downloading, and you don't actually have to have a computer for this. So that is so cool. Now, there is going to be a thing that you have to do at the end. It's the last step. So what it is you got to download 2 apps and you got to follow the instructions, but they're free and they're from the App Store. So as you can see, it says complete some offers, and this will like keep the website alive. So you need to download 2 of these apps. You can see all the apps. So just make sure you do them, guys. You don't have to do the same ones as me. You just have to do like 2 of them. So as you can see, it says like waiting to start. So yeah, True Finance, you got to like search something up. Then we have the Underdog, you gotta down run for 30 seconds. Family Island, you gotta reach level 11. This one's a game. So just do 2 of them, guys. You're gonna be all set. So I'm gonna see you later, but that's how to get AltStore on your phone. So Matrix Mods, that's the website to be on, guys. So make sure you try out this site. It's really cool, and it's for iOS and Android. So those of you on a certain device can use it. If you're on an iPhone or an Android, doesn't matter. So definitely go ahead and try this one out. It's not really something I ever thought I could find, but it's really very nice for the gamers who want to maybe install a mod. They need AltStore, and now there's AltStore with no revoke or anything, and no computer needed, obviously, which is awesome. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, and it totally works. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to see you in another one, and peace out, gang! Ooh.